Dear students, we solve this network problem. Construct a CPM network for the following set of activities. Activities indicate the project completion time, compute slack, that means it is a float for each activity, and determine the critical path in the given network. So here it is, we have to draw the first network diagram, okay, for the given data. So I have drawn here, it is one of the network diagram, okay. By first it is, I have done, it is a trial, okay. I have drawn first trial, okay, by I have taken data and I have first done a rough, and after that it is done the last, it is network diagram, it is I have rectified correctly. First you have to draw the everyone a rough sketch of network diagram, and after that you have to correctly draw it, okay. So then it is easy to draw. Otherwise, if you start neatly drawing at the beginning itself only, then the problems are arises, okay. Here it is, based on this, okay, based on this practice, I will draw here a network diagram. So here it is, the first one, activity A. There is no one predecessor, okay. Predecessor for activity A is no one. Activity A here, so it will start from here. Activity A, I will take one more. Next, activity B, there is also no one predecessor, okay, B. Next, activity C, no one is predecessor, okay, C. So duration is how much? For 3, it is a 3. Next, activity B for, it is 3. Activity C, it is 4 weeks duration, okay. You can write it here in the bracket also, there is no problem. So next, activity D, the predecessor is, okay, predecessor is activity D, this A. So I will draw the network, I will draw the arrow, it is D, it is duration is 3 days. Activity E, the predecessor is once again D, this is D, okay, E, the duration is 5 weeks. Next, activity F, the predecessor is BE. Where is a B? This is a B, and next E. So I will directly from here to here, I will join the line. This is okay. So I will write here B3. So next, activity G, the predecessor is, here it is BCE, okay. So activity G, activity, the predecessors are, it is B is also there, next C is also there, CE is also there. So here, but I cannot connect directly from here to here, okay. From one active or event, you cannot connect at the single event two activities. So hence we have to take the dummy activity. So arrow mark in which direction I have to give, that is the most important one. So the arrow mark, it should be, it is in the downward direction, okay, to make the network clearly. So next, it is activity G, I will write here, it is 6 week. So next, activity H, the predecessor is F. Where is F? Activity G, okay. Activity H, the predecessor is F. Where is F? Activity F. Activity F activities need to draw here. F activity, the predecessors are, it is activity F, the predecessors are BE. So that hence I have connected BE activity at one place. This F, the duration is 2 weeks. Clear? So next, activity G. So after that, activity H, the predecessor is F. Activity H, the predecessor is F. It is activity H. The predecessor, the duration is 4 weeks. So next, activity I, the predecessor is G. I will directly connect from here to here, because I have already practiced on a rough sheet. Based on that, I am drawing. Next, activity J, the predecessors are H and I. So here it is, H and I. It is J activity. The predecessors are H and I. So the duration is 2. Clear? So here it is. Why it is I have taken it is, so dummy it is activity at here. Dummy means it is a 0 duration. So then I have taken the F activity. Where is the F activity? It depends when F activity will start only after completion of E and B. Okay, and G activity will only it will only start after completion of C, B, E. So then how to take it is the dummy activity from here to here. It should be in the from B from event this to this event. So event between, so activity E and F, it is going to connect at here, and from here to here it is, we have to take it downward, because if I taken it is up, what will happen? So then it is the network shows that activity, so F activity depends on, if it is if it is arrow mark is upward direction, it is indicates that, so it is activity F, it is depends on the predecessors are C, B, E. But here they have given activity G is, the predecessors are C, B, E. So hence I have to take it as downward. Okay. The arrow mark of dummy activity is most also important, because I have drawn it is first it is a rough diagram I have drawn. Okay. First it is this diagram I have done based on this problem, and after that I have drawn it is neatly I have drawn here. Okay. And here it is I have drawn after this one. Okay, in the during the practice also, first you try in the rough. Okay, and after that you start. So next, so activity. So here it is. We have to calculate EST. Okay, early start time and latest start time. Early finish time, latest finish time. So these values I have to calculate now. Okay. So I will, so these values are going to put in this fashion over the activity. I will make the box. Here it is. It is EST, ELST. Next, it is here it is EST, EFT, early finish time. Next, latest finish time. Okay. So I will draw the, here it is it is boxes over the activity. They have given the duration for the completion of each activity. Make it as a boxes, and each activity write the duration. Okay, So here it is. In this box, it is, here it is written. Earliest start time. Okay. Earliest start time of activity A will be 0. Because it is going to beginning from the first week. 0. So next, here it is. Earliest finish time of activity A will be how much? 0 plus 3. It is 3. So it is, we have to go for first time. First it is forward. It is a forward pass computation. So that is, we have to go first. It is a forward pass computation. Okay. So next 3. Next after that, it is 3 for this activity. Next it is 6. Okay. Next activity this E. The starting time will be 6, and next the completion time will be 11. So I cannot take here this, because it is activity F is also depends on B. Okay. So activity B, the initial time is 0. It is finishing time will be 3. Early finish time. So out of 3 and 11, which is the more? So it is, we have to take it is forward pass competition. We have to take the maximum. Here it is a 3 and here it is 11. We have to take it is 11, higher value. So next 11. So 11 will be, it is here. Okay. So here it is 11, and 11 plus 2, 13. 13. Next here it is once again 13. Okay. Next here it is 13 plus 4. It is 17. Okay. So I cannot take it as a forward, because it is the activity I. It is depends on H and I. So hence I cannot take it. So next once again come here. So after that. So it is this dummy activity. So here it is 11. So it is duration is 0. So hence the same thing, 11. So next activity G is depends on, G activity depends on E, B, C. So hence it is EB. The maximum values we have taken here, it is 11, and it is comes from the dummy, over the dummy activity. So it is 11. So here it is next it is a 4, 0, and next it is a 4. Next out of these, the maximum value is 11. Next is 17. Next it is a 4, 21. Next 17 here is here, and 21 is here. Out of 2, maximum is 21. 21 plus, this is the duration. Once again the activity I, 2 week, 23 week. It is forward competition over. Next it is a backward competition. Okay, backward pass competition. So maximum duration is, it is 23. Come back 23. This is, and next here it is. So it is the latest. I'm taking latest finish time. This 23 weeks, 23 week. Next latest start time. So it is 23. Next start time will be 23 minus 2, 21. So this is 21. So here it is 21. This is once again 21 minus 4. It is 17. So 17. So it is latest start time of activity I. But latest finish time of activity G will be, once again it is the same thing, 17. So next minus 6, 11. So next this 11. Here it is 11, and here also 11, and next we can complete here. Okay, it is 1, 11 minus 4, it is 7. Next here it is 11. Once again it is 11, because it is the duration is 0. So here it is 11. I cannot take it as a forward, because activity. So here it is depends on, we have to one more loop we have to complete. This is the loop. Okay, here it is 17. So here it is maximum value is 21 here, 21. Next here it is 21 minus 4, 17. 17 minus, it is 17. Okay, remain 17. 17 minus 2, 15. Okay, 15. So out of these two, here it is a 15 and here it is 11. We have to take the minimum value here. While it is going backward pass competition, we have to take the minimum value. While it is moving towards forward computation, forward pass computation, we have to take the maximum value. Here it is a minimum means, here it is a 15 is here and 11 is here. The minimum value is 11. 11, it is 11 minus 5, 6. 6, 6. So next here it is 11. 11 minus 3, 8. So here it is a 6. Next it is a minus 3, 3. So 3. Here it is a 0. So here it is. Okay, this is the forward and pass, forward and backward pass competition is over. So whatever it is, I got the values. Okay, whatever I got the values. So that is I have to write it. Okay, so here it is activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So here it is. Next it is predecessor. Here it is given in the problem. Okay, you can see that. Okay, predecessor and time duration. Both the things you write. Here it is. We have to draw already this activity. So predecessor and time is you need to later we have to fill it. Okay. First I will finish the earliest start time and earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time. These 4 column I will finish now. Okay, based on this this network. Okay, so here these are 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the earliest start time and latest start time and earliest finish time and latest finish time. These columns I will fill it here. Okay, by taking the each activity. So here it is. So it is earliest start time which is 0. Earliest finish time is also 0. Okay, and latest start time. Okay, latest start time. Okay, sorry, latest start time is 0. Earliest finish time. This is the earliest finish time. This is the earliest start time, earliest finish time. So next, this is the latest start time. This is the latest finish time. So this is latest finish time will be, earliest finish time will be 3. Next, latest finish time will be 3. So next, here it is activity B. So where is the B activity? Here it is 0 and 0 and 3. So here it is. Next, here it is latest start time will be 8 and next it is 11. Next C, here it is. It is 0. Next here it is 4. Next latest start time will be 7 and next it is 11. Start time here it is. Okay. Next for activity D, where is the D? Here it is. So 3. Next it is 6. Next start time here it is 3. Next it is 6. Okay. Next activity E. Activity E. So 6. Next 11. 11 here it is. Next latest start time here it is 6. Next is 11. Next F activity. Where is the F activity? My F activity is here. So start time will be 11. Next it is finish time. Okay. Finish time will be 13. Next latest start time will be 11. It is, I think here it is a 15. Okay. Next it is 17. Next activity G. Here it is 11, 17. Next 11, 17. Next here it is H activity. Activity H will be here it is. Okay. 13, 17, 17, 21. Next I, where is here? 7. Activity I, here it is. It is 17 and 21. Next 21, it is, sorry, 17. Latest start time. Latest start time is this is, Okay, latest start time, it is 17. Next finish time will be 21. Next activity I, it is J. Here it is J. It is 21. Next 23, 21, 23. Here it is. One formula is there. Okay. So this is the we have calculated times. Okay. Forward and by using the forward and backward pass computation. Next we have to find the it is a float. Okay. Float formula or slack. Okay. That is we call FT. That is equal to latest start time minus earliest start time, or so latest finish time minus latest start time. This is latest start time minus earliest start time. Latest finish time minus finish time minus latest start time. Sorry, here it is latest start time minus earliest start time, finish time, and it is latest finish time minus earliest finish time. Okay, latest start time minus earliest start time, latest finish time minus earliest finish time. Yes, it is right. So here it is. That means this minus this. Okay, latest start time minus earliest start time. Okay, this. So here it is. This minus this. Okay. So latest start time minus earliest start time. This minus this 0, and next this minus this 8 minus 0 is 8, and as well as LFT, that is LFT minus EFT. So this minus this you can do that. Okay, 11 minus 3 is also 8. Okay, this is also EFT. Both are same. Next this minus this 7. 11 minus 4 it is also 7. 6 minus 3 minus 3 0. 6 minus 6 0. 11 minus 6 minus 6 0. 15 minus 11 4. 11 minus 11 0. 17 minus 13 4. 17 minus 17 it is 17 minus 17 0. 21 minus 21 0. So here it is we have to suggest that which is the critical. The slack is 0 means the float is 0. The variation is 0 means that is the critical one. Okay, in the remark, this is not critical, this is not critical, this is the critical. Sorry, this is not critical. This, okay, critical. Not critical. It is subcritical. That is 4 is subcritical. If it is minus 4, that is supercritical. Critical. So here it is in the network. The critical. Okay. The activity A. Activity A is critical. Next, after that, D is critical. D is critical. Next, E is critical. Next, F is critical. Next, after that, F, G is critical. Okay. After that, G is critical. I is critical. After that, J is also critical. It should be right in the. It is should not take the down. Okay, you take it as always in the forward direction only. Okay, the duration is it is given. Activity A 3. Next there is D 3. Activity E duration will be 5. Next F 2. Next activity I, it is 4, it is 2. 3, 6, 11, 13, 13, 4, 17, 17, 21 it is. 21. Okay, wait. So here it is activity. It is actually it is 27 days. It is taking. Okay, it is days are it is more one. So here it is one. We have done the mistake. Here it is F activity is a 4. So it is to be removed because it is not be critical one. It is not be F activity is not critical. So hence remove this. Okay. So here it is 3, 3, 6, 11, 17, 21, 23. This is the 23 days. It is critical. So this is the critical path. Next, it is duration of the project. Duration of the project is 23 weeks. Okay. So next, critical path, where is that? We have to draw, we have to mark that critical path. So that is A, activity A is critical. Next, D, critical, double line you have to highlight it. E is also critical. Next, G. So G means it is dotted also, it is flow under the critical only. G. Next, I. Next, J. Here it is A, D, E, dummy activity, G, I, J. This is the critical path. Okay. What they have asked? We have constructed the network, CPM network. We have indicated the project duration, okay, over the network, and we have completion time. These are the completion times, okay. We have it is shown early start time, early finish time, and all. Slack we have find out, that is a float. And next critical path, okay, we have find the critical path. This is the path, okay. Next critical path we have shown over the network diagram also. Next duration of the project they have asked, even though, okay, that is we have, it is additionally we have calculated. Duration of the project is 23 weeks. This is the example of to find the it is duration of the project, okay.